On May 12, 2008, an 8.0 magnitude earthquake occurred in Wenchuan of Sichuan province in China. It severely hit Sichuan, Gansu, and Shanxi, with over 30,000 aftershocks in 10 provinces and 417 counties. Over 46 million people were affected, 69,000 killed, 374,000 injured, and 17,000 missing. Over 15 million people were displaced in the emergency, numerous houses damaged or collapsed. The economy and people's livelihoods were greatly affected. World Vision sent out relief teams on the second day and set up the Wenchuan Earthquake Relief Rehabilitation Task Force in Guangyuan City on May 26th to coordinate relief and rehabilitation efforts. In Sichuan, Gansu, and Shanxi, we distributed rice, quilts, warm clothes, tents, prefabricated residential houses, and other emergency relief items. Thousands of schools and dormitories collapsed or were damaged due to the tremor. We immediately set up tents or prefabricated dormitories and classrooms and provided electric fans, school desks and chairs, blackboards, and back-to-school kits to help students resume learning. We also set up 13 child-friendly spaces to ease children's emotions. Through World Vision's aid, disaster victims are able to settle down and rebuild their homes very soon. These are the damaged premises of the Huaxi Primary School in Guangyuan City, where Zhang Haiyan is a student. She had a narrow escape from the quake.
当时我听到这个床在抖，我觉得好像是在大车在什么大风在吹一样，把地抖动了。老师就叫我们飞快地跑下楼。当时我的心情很害怕，很害怕。
Now, Haiyan lives in the prefab dorm where World Vision provides quilts and solar water heaters. She and her classmates attend lessons in prefab classrooms. Without many school facilities, students find their own recreation opportunities. But Haiyan still dreams of perfect school facilities.
我希望以后的学校是很大，又有许多乒乓台，还有一个辽阔的大地。
World Vision has committed to supporting construction of Huaxi Primary School at its original site. The draft is almost finished, and upon approval, construction will start immediately. Haiyan's home collapsed during the quake. Usually, her grandmother takes care of her while her parents work in Xinjiang. They came back after the quake only to find their house in ruins. At a loss for what to do, they then received 10,000 yuan from World Vision to buy materials and rebuild their home. They are among the first batch of beneficiaries to receive our house reconstruction subsidy.
就重建过后，都是宣明会对我们的资助也比较大，对我们感谢你们的宣明会对我们支持。
这新房子比较好，又新，住上新房子，而且又舒服啊。
我哋重建方面咧，主要係包括幾方面啦。學校重建方面，我哋係包括教學樓重建啦，一啲綜合樓嘅重建，同埋一啲學生宿舍嘅重建啦。咁另外就有衛生院嘅重建。咁至於民房重建方面咧，有幾百戶嘅重建戶，我哋已經係一層封頂之後就可以派發㗎啦。咁另外方面咧，我哋喺落鄉考察嗰陣時咧，咁就發覺有好多都係缺水嘅。咁我哋都會考慮打算做一啲水利重建。
For future disaster mitigation, World Vision sends staff to schools to teach disaster preparedness knowledge through games. In order to release students' pressure after the disaster, we also distribute child-friendly kits. See how happy they are. Although students smile when they play, those who lost families in the quake still hurt in their hearts. Therefore, World Vision joins hands with schools to conduct Healing Children's Heart activities in class. Through singing and interactive games, we help to relieve their stress and move on with life more positively.
让我们那些不快乐的，或是在5.12带来的一些不快乐的记忆，从这个阴影中走出来。
After the quake, World Vision's office in Sichuan County became dangerous and had to be moved into prefab houses. Seeing the needs of children in the prefab areas, World Vision set up Happy 910 to provide a safe and protected environment to spend their happy times.
我来到这里的感受是，我得到了快乐，学到了很多知識。
性格又開朗些了，也懂事些了。
喺千村，我哋而家主要嘅重建就係民房重建啦。與此同時啦，咁我哋都會做一啲小型基建。喺呢啲基礎上面，咁我哋再去發展經濟，農業啊、畜牧業方面。我哋就同衛生局方面就有一啲嘅合作，咁希望喺一啲嘅培訓啦、啲設備上面可以有一啲嘅投入。重建嘅學校按住佢嘅設施嘅需要，咁有一啲嘅配套。喺軟件方面，咁我哋其實就已經喺學校處開展一啲唔同類型嘅活動，可以豐富佢哋嘅校園生活，亦都可以疏導佢哋好多心理上面嘅一啲壓力咁。
During the past year, we have used donations from all sides and the efforts of our workers to help disaster victims restore their lives. Now, rehabilitation programs are in active progress to eventually walk people from despair to hope.